So guys, a week before I have seen on YouTube channel of Shangso that she has done the video of full face of all day makeup. So I thought, why don't I try this challenge? So yes, today I'll be sharing with you a makeup look which I will create by using only the oldest makeup products which I have, like for foundation and concealer, my oldest foundation I will use. So yes, if you want to see this video, please keep watching this video till end. I'm Sapna and today I'll be sharing with you full face of makeup using oldest makeup products only. So do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and also hit that bell so that you will get notification for all of my videos. So let's get started. So as first of all, it's time for primer. So my first primer was of Mana Kadar Beauty, and that was expired, and obviously I will not use any expired product on my skin. So next primer, which is the oldest one, is this Glamorama Glowing Goddess primer. So I'm going to use this one today. So I'm going to take a little bit amount and I'm going to dab it on my skin, especially on the areas where I have pores. So dab dab dab. And these products which I have, the oldest ones, I am not using these ones currently, so it will be like really interesting to create some like a makeup look using these. And some of the products I actually don't like to use, so yeah, I think it will be really interesting to create a look using these. And कुछ तो काफ़ी ज़्यादा outdated हैं, so I am scared too. So yes, I guess I'm done with my primer. So yeah, next I will use this Stay Quirky foundation. So this is in the shade 02 Honey I'm Golden, and this is how it looks like. This is the oldest foundation I have. So oh, it's spit on my hand. So I'm going to take this beauty blender and I'm going to apply it. I actually don't like this foundation much because it will give a sheer coverage, and also I don't like its smell at all. I'm going to apply it on only this side of my face, and then I will show you how it looks. And yeah, I don't like its pump at all. You can see how it spread on my hand. This foundation is actually, I think, my first foundation. So yes, I'm done with the foundation. Now it's time for concealer, and for concealer again I have this concealer. This is from NY Bay, and this is in the shade Dark and White Chocolate Pretzel. Oh, such a long name. So I'm going to apply it. This is my oldest concealer. I'm going to apply very little bit on my forehead. Its coverage is also okay, not that much, but yes, it's okay. And thank you so much guys for 2000 subscribers. I just forgot guys, thank you so much for 2000 subscribers, and I wish this family will grow much soon. So yeah. So yes, my base is done, and you can see I have applied the foundation and concealer. Now it's time for compact powder. So my oldest powder is this Rimmel Stay Matte Compact Powder. Yes, this is my oldest one, and this is in the shade 009 Amber. I don't use makeup so much because I just go to office by applying some kajal, lipstick, and sometimes mascara, and I do my brows. So yeah, that's all I do. And yes, so easily मेरे products ऐसे पड़े रहते हैं और पड़े expire हो जाते हैं. Now I'm going to take this sponge and I'm going to apply it. I really like to do this technique to apply powder because it removes that creases and it sets your makeup so well on place. So yeah, that's why I really like this technique to apply rather than just apply a brush. So yes, now I will apply and just spread it with the help of a brush as well. And yes, the base is done, and I'm really happy with the base actually. So my oldest products are, I guess, are not too bad. And yes, now it's time for eye makeup. So for eye makeup, get ready, it's Miss Rose palette, and I have received it, I guess, in a subscription box. So this is my oldest palette. This is how it looks like. इसकी हालत देख के आपको लगेगा होगा, this is my oldest palette actually. So yes, I'm going to take this shade. So I'm going to take this brush. Actually, this palette is a little bit chalky, so I have to be careful about the application of these shades. So I'm going to apply it on my crease. So next I'm going to take this black shade and I will apply it on the outer corner of my eyes. And I just forgot कि मेरे पास black shade बचा भी है. I was just about to pick a new palette for the black shade. So place it on the outer corner and let's blend it. It's nicely pigmented too. I'm going to take it to the crease area as well. Like you can see, it will give an illusion of a big eye. Like if you have hooded eyes, you can use this technique. Next I'm going to use this particular shade and I will apply it all over the lid, जो भी area बचा है. No water, no concealer, but उसके बावजूद भी it's nicely pigmented. So I will take that small brush और उससे मैं edges को blend कर लूँगी. So for lower lash line, I think just create a drama, and I'm going to use this pink shade right here. And yes, the eye makeup is done. So now it's time for brows. So for brows, I have my oldest one. This is the Rimmer eyebrow pencil. This is the oldest one और ये काफ़ी घिस चुकी है. As you can see, I'm going to use this today. So I have done with my brows as well. So it's time for contouring. So contouring के लिए I'm going to use this NY Bay color correcting stick, and you can see इसका काफ़ी ज़्यादा dark color है. So मैं इसको contouring के लिए use करूँगी और उसके बाद हम as a bronzer कोई और product use करेंगे. So now I'm going to blend it with this brush. So to give it a little more definition, I'm going to use this Essence Must Haves contouring powder. So ये pressed contouring powder है. So इसे मैं as a bronzer use करूँगी. मैंने अपने sugar के palette से पहले खरीदा था. So it's like my oldest one as well. So I have done with the contouring as well. Now it's time for blush. So blush के लिए I have purchased जो सबसे पहले purchase किया था. This is Blue Heaven blush. This is their diamond blush, and ये मैंने इस shade में खरीदा था. I never thought that it comes like this shiny, but yes, this is my oldest one, so I have to use this. Yes, it gives a shimmery effect on my cheeks as well. It is really great for a bronzing or tanned kind of look. So if you need a like really tan kind of look, and if you're creating one, then you can use this. Now I'm going to settle down both contouring and blusher with the help of this sponge. And now it's time for kajal. So this is like my oldest kajal. This is Plum Goodness Nature Studio in the shade brown. This is Uptown Brown. So I'm done with the kajal. My first mascara was this is Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. So it's time for my oldest lipstick, and this is actually a lip crayon. This is Lakme's Enrich lip crayon, and this is in the shade baby pink, I think. Yes, this is the shade baby pink, and you can see its halat. So I'm going to apply it. So yes, this shade actually looks really good. मैंने तो कितने टाइम से ये अप्लाई भी नहीं किया था, but yes, it's actually really good. And for highlighter, this is the one. This is the Freedom Artist. This is the Freedom Pro Artist highlighter, and this is the oldest one I have. And I think it's near to expiry too. 1 या 2 month में expire भी हो जाएगा ये. So yeah, I'm going to apply it. This is actually my favorite highlighter. You can see it gives so gorgeous effect on your cheekbones. I'm going to apply a little bit here and on tip of my nose, and a little bit on Cupid bow as well. Yes, the look is ready, and I think the look turned out to be really good. I'm going to spray some this Glamroma face mist because I'm out of my makeup fixer, so I'm going to use this. So yes, this is how the look turned out to be, and I'm super happy with this look. I never thought that this makeup by using my oldest makeup products turned out to be this much good, and yes, I'm super happy, and I'm really glad that I have seen this idea on Shankso YouTube channel, and I have applied it on mine too, and this look turned out to be so great. And yes, do let me know guys your views about this look in the comment section below. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as well, and if you like this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and family. I'll back soon with another video. Till then, bye bye, take care.